Can you really make $100 a day using AI without any experience? The answer is yes, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that real people are using right now to earn money online from home. No coding, no complicated stuff, just smart tools and real results. So grab your coffee and stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your $100 a day journey. In 2025, AI is not just for techies, it's for freelancers, students, stay-at-home parents, basically anyone with a phone or laptop. Companies are using AI to save time, and smart individuals like you are using it to earn side income. First up, OpusClip. It turns long YouTube videos into short viral clips with just one click. Here's how people are making money. They offer short-form video editing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even TikTok DMs using OpusClip to do the heavy lifting. Charge $30 to $100 per video. With 2 to 3 clients a day, you're already at $100. Next is Jasper AI, an AI writing assistant. You can write blog posts, product descriptions, Instagram captions, anything. Here's how people earn. Offer SEO blog writing on freelancing sites, or create content for small businesses. Number 3, Midjourney, the AI image generator. Graphic designers and non-designers are using it to sell Etsy digital prints, YouTube thumbnails, logo ideas, and even print-on-demand merch. At number 4, ElevenLabs hyper-realistic AI voiceovers. You can create voiceovers in different accents, tones, and genders. No mic needed. People use this to offer audiobook narration, YouTube voiceovers, podcast intros. And finally, Notion AI. You can use it to build and sell Notion templates. People on Gumroad and Etsy are selling budget planners, content calendars, student planners made using AI. So how do you actually reach $100 a day? Simple. Pick one tool, master it, and offer a service around it. Here's a quick example. OpusClip Shorts. $40, client. 3 clients per day. $120. Repeat that with consistent outreach and quality. Or sell Notion templates at $15 each. 7 sales a day? Done. Now you know AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. Pick one of these tools today and start offering a service or building a product. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly AI money hacks. And let me know in the comments, which tool are you going to try first?